Woke up, blood that curse, not a dream in sight. Alarm screaming lies, no sunlight, just night. Stubbed my toe on the edge of despair. Slipped on, pierced, my dog just stood there. Checked my phone, balance deep in the red. Even my bank is like you better play dead. Reached for caffeine, but fate had a scheme. My only friend betrayed me, the coffee machine. Major, hvorfor stod jeg op i dag? Alt går galt, og jeg har ingen magt. Kaffen død, og verden er kold. Giv mig søvn og glem alt det her vrøvl. Cold shower, no towel, slipped again twice. Dropped my phone, now it's cracked like ice. Mirror said, you look like sin. And my fridge is emptier than my kin. No messages, no calls, just bills to pay. Even Spotify told me not today. Shoelace snapped and I ripped my jeans. Now I'm screaming at ghosts and machines. Nature, hvorfor stod jeg op i dag? Alt går galt, og jeg har ingen magt. Kaffen død, og verden er kold. Giv mig søvn og glem alt det her vrøvl. Was kørt forbi, I was one damn sec late. Driver just laughed, yeah, calm as my date. Squeal cleaner, highness beat on my head. Even pigeons ain't straight, now I'm wet. Boss texted, don't bother, you're done. Cool, just add it to the list of none. I trade this Monday for a time machine, or maybe just a working coffee machine. Nature, hvorfor stod jeg op i dag? Alt går galt, og jeg har ingen magt. Kaffen død, og verden er kold. Giv mig søvn og glem alt det her vrøvl. Neighbors yelling, cat puked in my shoes. Every breath today, just bad news. Even my plant gave up and died. It's like the whole world's on the other side. Tried to write a rhyme, pen ran out of ink. Even my tears were too tired to blink. I swear if hell had a daily routine, it starts with a broken coffee machine. Now I'm lying on the floor in defeat. Cold out comfort, no heart left to beat. But maybe tomorrow the stars realign. Maybe joy will show up, just not this time. Till then I whisper my silent scream. Next time, don't break my coffee machine. Yo, så ligger jeg i underbukser. Sur kaffekunst direkte fra filteret. Min hund kigger på mig som, bro, det var ikke mig der ødelagde maskinen. Fair nok. Min konto lever i min selvtillid. Og min toast er eksploderet, da jeg prøvede at varme pizza med foodie på Classic. Men hey, jeg lever stadig. Og i morgen, der bestiller jeg bare latte og en ny kaffemaskine. Gamle er nu dørstopper.